Rail Fanny vibes in full effect, baby. We got a train coming, folks. Check it out. Check them out real fast. 100 CN, Canadian National Commemorative Locomotive on the move here in Dayton, Ohio, on Washington Street. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That sun is. Whoop. Rail Fan vibes in full effect. Wow, that sun is just, whew. The rays are deadly. Thanks for letting Rail Fan vibes into your home. Sure do appreciate it. Much love to you. Thanks for supporting us. Good freight train right here. I always love those. Real fantastic of Rail Fanny vibes, along with myself, Rail Fan Deer. What's up out there? Catch my drift. Yes, sir. Check out neck bar right there with the covered tarp. Yes, sir, baby. Lovely freight train, lovely freight train. Check out that hopper right there. Whoa. It has seen better days, but it still looks good though. It still looks good, rusty. Check out Sue Line still hanging in there, baby. All right, got some box cars here. Some gorgeous box cars, the tall boys, as I call them.
He's going to slow down a little bit.
Yeah, he just might.
He might stop.
And he might be approaching the yard over there towards Leo Street here in Dayton, Ohio. Northbound CSX. Good looking mixed freight train. Heading northbound. Make it a manifest now. Got some auto racks in the house, yes sir. All right, folks, there it goes. Once again, thanks for watching. And always tune in to Rail Fan and Vibe. We always got trades for you each and every day. Check out our station. Or check out our channel. Station channel, whatever you want to call it. We appreciate you here. Peace out, folks.